Hello friends and welcome back. Today we will talk about how to restore the youthfulness of the skin of your face and hands at home without using harmful materials. We will start by peeling a medium-sized potato. Potatoes are rich in vitamin C, which acts as a natural lightener for dark spots and evens out skin tone. It gives the skin a striking glow and makes it look radiant because it fights pimples and deeply cleanses the pores. Okay, after rinsing the potatoes with water, cut them into small cubes. Now put the potatoes in a pot and add 1.5 cups of water. Guys, I love reading your comments. Tell me from which country you watch my videos. Put the pot on medium heat until the potatoes are cooked. This step helps us release all the active ingredients. Keep the remaining water in the pot. Mix it with boiled potatoes. Then grind it using an electric mixer. Guys, don't forget to activate the notification bell to receive notifications of upcoming recipes. We have a lot of creativity waiting for you. As a result, we make potato cream very soft and smooth, easily absorbed by the skin. The perfect cream to rebuild your skin cells to look younger and fresher. It enhances collagen production and reduces wrinkles. We start with the first mask. We will take 3 tablespoons of potato cream. And the best addition to this cream that will make it penetrate the cells deeply is turmeric. This mobile pharmacy erases all stubborn pigmentation, such as pregnancy melasma and sunburn pigmentation. Add 1 teaspoon and mix well until combined. When turmeric touches your skin, an amazing transformation will begin. Its antioxidants act as a barrier that protects the skin from signs of aging, while curcumin, its active ingredient, cleanses pores and calms inflammation, which is reflected in the disappearance of pimples. If you enjoy these beauty tips, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate your support. We also need lemon juice. Deep within those citrus fruits lies the power of vitamin C. Add just a few drops and you can replace lemon juice with orange juice if you have sensitive skin. Vitamin C and citric acid exfoliate the skin from dead cells, which is reflected in unifying the skin tone. Then we use natural honey, as if to calm the effect of lemon. Add a teaspoon and mix well until the cream is homogeneous. This pure treasure is moisturizing, giving the skin moderate moisture, the best treatment for sensitive and dry skin. Very rich in antioxidants that fight free radicals and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. We've made it the best, simply put. Now keep the cream in a sterile container. So before using the cream, clean your skin with lukewarm water first. Exposing the skin to lukewarm water makes it softer and thus more ready to absorb the cream. Apply the cream on your skin, spreading it gently from the face to the neck and hands. Then massage it in counterclockwise motions to stimulate blood circulation. Use it at night, away from sunlight, for 30 minutes. Then rinse your skin with lukewarm water first, then cold water. Use the cream 3 times a week and watch how your skin will shine day after day. The cream is suitable for all skin types. Okay, for the remaining quantity, you can keep it for a week in a cool place. Now we start a new fun in making the beauty elixir. We start by adding 1 egg yolk. Then add 2 tablespoons of potato cream and mix well. If you don't use eggs in general for your skin, you are missing out on a lot. Because it contains amino acids, which are the source of collagen formation. It is rich in vitamins A, D, A, and B12. Now add the equivalent of a tablespoon of powdered milk. Well, this ingredient is for dry and normal skin. If your skin is oily, use chickpea powder. The supportive friend for very dry skin, it removes flakes and soothes skin inflammation. Lactic acid and vitamin in the glass work to remove pigmentation and unify skin tone. One of the secrets to getting amazing results with natural masks is to mix the ingredients well until they blend and interact. So finally, guys, we add prickly pear oil. Every drop of this oil works miracles on your skin, lightly penetrating through the deep layers of the skin and destroying the dead roots that tamper with collagen. Rich in omega-6, which saturates the skin with moisture. Give your skin this complete blend and make it happy again. Okay, add teaspoon. Spread it on your skin, hands, neck, and face. You can apply it to the area around the eyes, but remain calm without laughing or talking. Apply the mask for 20 minutes, 3 times a week only, and I promise you the result will amaze you. Just use it for a month and notice the difference. After cleansing your skin, it's time to freshen up. Moisturize your skin with a natural oil suitable for your skin type. For example, if you have oily skin, use tea tree oil. If you have dry skin, use sweet almond oil. Vitamin E can be used for all skin types or as a moisturizer. Restore your skin's youth naturally? Just give yourself enough time, dear. Thanks for watching, and see you in other recipes.